So we're running 0.6 millimeter 14 karat gold on 96% alumina at 75 millimeters per minute at 30,000 RPM with 0.125 millimeters of total Z feed distance. So I'm going to start the real camera recording. I'm going to start our thermal camera recording. I've changed the temperature grade and I've zoomed in on the thermal camera to try and get a better view of what's going on. So with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and turn the spindle on to 30,000 RPM. And I'm going to descend until I contact the surface. There we go, we're touching the surface. Now I'm going to start the file. Turn the spindle off, turn the video off.